Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. It's Friday. Favorite day of the week. It looks like we're going to have a pretty decent day today. Market looks like it's going to be pretty good. Yesterday's close on the SPY closed up very nice. We'll take a quick look at the stock picks today. Let me get this out of the way. Oh, reminder, rounded bottom breakout class, September 29th. And Profit Scanner 3-week trial. This is a free trial for 3 weeks. It starts Monday. We can't do them any days but Monday, so if you're interested in this coming Monday, just send me an email and we'll get you squared away and set up. Let's get that out of the way. Any pre-market movers? I hope somebody found some that might be working for you. I hope if you are long something, you don't see it on the breaking low window. That's not necessarily always bad, but you certainly don't want to be long something and see it on that window. So I hope somebody found something there that looked pretty good. Let me move this out of the way. Alrighty. Today, ITMN is our featured stock pick. We're looking at a rounded bottom breakout, a double bottom rounded bottom breakout. We're looking at a bullish engulf here. Entry, positive trading, pretty much of yesterday's candle, $9.86. If you are a pullback buyer, PBO, pullback opportunity buyer, we want to be buying all the way to the T-line, and we'll use the T-line as a stop. I do see pre-market that this is gapping up to about the $10.50 range. Maybe we get a little pullback and we can buy it on the pullback sometime this morning. We're looking at the 200-day moving average as our target. Okay. The other stock picks we have today, AXAS, another rounded bottom breakout, another double bottom right here, rounded bottom breakout, nice little gap up, good gap here, good consolidation yet bullish yesterday. We're looking for the 200-day moving average. We want to buy this on any strength. Klein, CLNE. Klein, I noticed a few people in the room yesterday were talking about this. This looks like a good one here. Little inverted hammer, bullish engulf. That certainly is the candle you want to see after a little inverted hammer. Nice little bullish engulf. Rounded bottom breakout, nice little rally up, pullback. So we have we actually have another double bottom here as well. Another double bottom, rally, a low, high, higher low, and now we're working for a higher high. That's a nice chart. FBR. Nice trending chart right here. You can see this nice trend up, and then we've pulled back. We got a little too far away. We pulled back, and now we've started to rally up. We've got a T-line run. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. We've got a T-line run with a shooting star. That kind of gave us the signal we're going to have a little bit of a pullback. That's exactly what we've had right to the T-line, and now we're starting to move up. Let's take a look at this chart on the line chart. You can see how it's just stayed above the T-line right here, and it just put a little dip, and now it's starting to do a little J hook up. That's a nice picture of a J hook right there. That blue line right in there. Nice chart. We want to be a buyer on any strength, and certainly a buyer of breakout of this shooting star up here. FSR gapped up, has consolidated, and now all of a sudden it's starting to move up a little bit. Little doji, bullish engulf, and then notice these dojis right here in the center. I can't help to notice that the length of this consolidation is about the same length of this consolidation. This could start to break out here, and I think we want to be long on this one if we do. well, we already did that one. ONTY. ONTY has rallied up nice, consolidated, rallied up again, and now it's putting in some flat consolidation trading, another bullish engulf, holding over the T-line. Let's take a look at that again on our line chart. You can see how the trend is up. So if you're a trend trader and you're using the T-line as your stop and go area, you can see that it had several entries as it crossed. It pulled back, could have entered in this area, rallied up. Well, now it's pulling back again and still holding the trend. Still holding the trend. Let's see, PBR. PBR is a nice one. PBR, nice little bottom. By the way, this is a rounded bottom breakout. This is what we'll be looking at in our September 29th clinic. Right in here, the rounded bottom breakouts, the entries, the support levels, what would tell you that the chart is no longer working, what tells you that the chart is working. We'll be looking at the 200-day moving average as the directional target and possible targets in between. It's rallied up nice. It pulled back, found support on the 50 between our 20 and 50 trap in here, put a doji, gap up, smacked right on the 200-day moving average, and then, big surprise, a little bit of a pullback. That not really a surprise. I was trying to be kind of joking about that. Yesterday, nice little candle here right at the T-line. We want to see a little strength up. I think I did see PBR pre-market on the scanner moving a little bit lower. So what we want to, I think I did. So what we want to see is this to come back up, and if it does, we want to be a buyer through there, and especially over that 200-day moving average. PTEN. PTEN has come off the 50-day moving average, rallied up over the 200, and has pulled back, creating a little consolidation right here. Nice little support. Also allowing time for the T-line to come back up to it. You can see where this is moved, rallied up, pulled back, and then moved here. Let's take a look at this on the T-line chart. I'll tell you, this right here, I really believe that everybody should have a chart set up like this so you can peek at it. If you're ever in doubt, take a look at this chart. What I mean by being in doubt is if you're looking at this, you see it rallying up, and you see it kind of put in a candle with a wick up here, like this. That may look a little bearish, and then all of a sudden it has a lower close and a lower close and a lower close. It's a good looking chart, and you see this pulling back. If you get nervous about this, I was like, what do I do with this? Go look at this line chart. The trend is still up. The trend is still up. And the trend is a fantastic trading the trend is a fantastic trading program, and it comes down to where you buy within that trend. Of course, if you buy too high, if you bought at the absolute high, then you're probably feeling a little pain. But if you look to sharpen up your entries and you follow what the trend is doing, man, it can turn out and make some pretty good money there. SPN, nice little rally up to near the 200-day moving average. Another little pullback. Closed very nice yesterday. Good piercing candle. Over the T-line, I would certainly be a buyer on strength. And the last one I have here is SREV. SREV, another rounded bottom breakout. Good candle day before yesterday. Good follow through yesterday over the T-line. We're going to look for the 200-day moving average as being our directional target. Probably see some topping before we get there with a little bit of a pullback somewhere along the lines, but I feel it will end up at the 200-day moving average over a couple of weeks' time. All right, let's see here. I want to thank everybody. Gigi, Sonia, Tyler, I noticed you were posting in there. There was a few other people this morning. Let's see, I think Doug was in there a little bit. Who else was here? Duchess, want to thank you. If I miss you, please forgive me. Not doing it on purpose. Konar, want to say thanks here. Don, thank you very much. Gigi, thank you very much. Sancho, um, and I noticed here lately, Lucci, that there's more people coming in the mornings and um, offering stock picks, offering information on charts and news, and I just want to say thank you very much. It is terrific to have this in the morning because it kind of sets us up for the day. So again, just a great big thank you for doing that. It is very nice. I find myself reading stuff that you put out here and not getting my work done. So sometimes I have to cover the chat up just so I don't see it. So I get things done. So again, thank you very much. In a couple minutes, I'll be right back. We'll get this market going, see if we can make some money today. Be right back.